Hi there. This is Quinns, focusing on giving users informative solutions on unlocking any smart devices for legal use. The topic is how to unlock iPhone won't unlock with correct passcode. When you turn on your iPhone as usual and enter the passcode to unlock your iPhone, you find that your iPhone prompts that the password is wrong. In this case, you may think that you have entered the password by mistake, so you are ready to re-enter the correct password. Just after you have entered the correct password, your iPhone still prompts that the password is incorrect, and you even try the correct password several times until your iPhone is locked. You don't know why is my iPhone not unlocking with the right password. Do you want to know how to fix iPhone not unlocking with correct passcode? Don't worry, here are some workable solutions to fix iPhone not unlocking with correct passcode issue. Keep watching and follow us to explore the alternative approaches to iPhone is not unlocking with correct passcode. If any solution here helps, make sure to subscribe to Quinns and that will be a big support to us. Solution 1. Hard reboot. If you are sure you entered the correct passcode but still cannot access your iPhone, you can try hard rebooting your iPhone to see if a hard reboot can unlock an iPhone that won't unlock with the correct passcode. Here's what you need to do. In an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. In an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. In an iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, do this to force restart your device. Press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone turns on and the lock screen wakes up again, try entering the correct passcode again to see if the device is unlocked successfully. Solution 2. Use the Forgot Passcode feature. If your iPhone is running iOS 17, 18, or later, and your iPhone has changed its passcode within 72 hours, you can use the Forgot Passcode feature to solve the iPhone won't unlock with passcode problem. To try this method, follow the steps below. Enter the incorrect passcode more than 5 times. Then an unavailable screen should appear and prompt you with Forgot Passcode. Option at the bottom right corner. Tap Forgot Passcode. Tap Enter Previous Passcode. Enter your old passcode, then follow the on-screen instructions to set a new passcode. Once done, it will quickly unlock your iPhone, and the Can't Unlock iPhone with Passcode has been deleted. If you can't see the Enter Previous Passcode option, move to the next step. Solution 3. Use the Erase iPhone feature. If your iPhone does not meet the requirements of Solution 2, you can also see if it meets the requirements of this solution. This solution requires your iPhone to be running iOS 15.2 or later and you need to remember your Apple ID account password. If not, please skip this solution. If yes, follow the steps below to solve iPhone locked and passcode not working. On your iPhone, wake up the unlock keypad and type the wrong passcode more than 7 times in a row. If it asks you to wait 1 minute or 5 minutes during the process, just wait patiently. Now, see if there is an Erase iPhone or Forgot Passcode option showing up at the bottom right corner after 7 wrong passcode attempts. If not, move to the next solution. If it is, it's easy to solve because it can be used for iPhone incorrect passcode but it's not correct. Here's how to initiate the erase process. If you see the Forgot Passcode option, tap Forgot Passcode. Tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter the Apple ID password. Tap Erase iPhone. If you see the Erase iPhone option, tap Erase iPhone. Tap Erase iPhone again. Enter the correct Apple ID password and confirm. At this point, you have solved the problem of correct passcode doesn't unlock iPhone. What to do next is just to wait until the erase process comes to the end. Solution 4. Use iCloud Find My iPhone feature. If your iPhone is running an iOS version lower than 15.2, it means you cannot use the above solution. The above solution is not all. You can also use iCloud Find My iPhone feature to fix iPhone doesn't unlock with correct passcode. But this requires you to enable Find My iPhone feature before locking, as well as make sure the iPhone has an internet connection. To try this method, please do this. On any browser on any device, type and go to iCloud.com. Key in Apple ID and password. Verify your own identity by entering the 2-factor authentication code. A few seconds later, you'll be taken to the iCloud's homepage. From a series of features it contains, find and choose Find My icon. Select the name of the iPhone that says iPhone is locked after entering correct passcode. Choose Erase this device, select Erase, and finish the following steps until you see the Erase started dialog box. Your iPhone will be back to its original state in a few minutes. Solution 5. Reset iPhone by entering recovery mode. When the above solutions do not work, you still have a final solution, which is to reset iPhone by entering recovery mode. After resetting iPhone, the problem of iPhone won't let me unlock it with correct passcode will also disappear. It only requires you to prepare a Windows PC or a Mac computer and a cable, and make some button presses combo to let the iPhone go into recovery mode. How it works is to click the Restore option in the specified application screen, download and install the latest iOS firmware, and then bring the device back to its factory settings. In the following, we'll show you the whole process step by step. On a Mac or a PC, download and install the Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder tool. Then, press the buttons and move the power off slider to shut down your iPhone. Wait at least 15 seconds and connect one side of the USB cable to the computer. Then, press the specific button and connect the other side of the USB cable to the iPhone. If you use iPhone 8 or later models, keep pressing the side button. If you use iPhone 7, keep pressing the volume down button. If you use iPhone 6s or earlier models, keep pressing the home button. Still keep pressing the button even when you see the Apple logo showing up. Release the button when the recovery mode screen appears, showing a computer, a cord, and a link. Let your iPhone stay connected to the computer and look at the window of Apple Devices app, iTunes, or Finder tool. A dialog box should pop up, giving you the Update and Restore option. Choose Restore, click Restore and Update, click Next, and select Agree. The program will then begin downloading the update firmware, restoring your phone, and installing the firmware into it to bypass the iPhone is saying incorrect passcode when it's correct. When all is done, unplug your iPhone from the computer and set it up to use again. That's all for how to fix an iPhone that won't unlock with correct passcode. If you have any questions about the problem, drop a comment below. If this video saves you out, tell us which method helps, and we'll appreciate that you can give this video a like and subscribe to Quinn's channel. See you in the next video.